After a few days at home, today we go to Dubai. Let's explore Dubai together and welcome to today's vlog.
Moisture, gauge of moisture unacceptable, never will get us to.
After a quick stop at the gas station for some coffee, we head to Riverland Dubai and we get to explore this place together. I've never been there and the sun was really showing off. That was such a beautiful sunset. Riverland Dubai is managed by Dubai Parks and Resorts, and we only got the tickets for Riverland Dubai, but also you can get tickets for Legoland and Motion Gates, which is also in the same location. So Riverland Dubai makes you feel like you're in Europe because all the structures, from the buildings, the attractions, the cars, the buggies that are carrying you around are all European style. It makes you feel like you're in Europe, and I highly recommend if you're visiting with family. And it's also a nice place for children to visit. It's 10 out of 10. After walking on different places, we got to stop by at the coffee shop to get some coffee and a dessert to continue with our journey. Not with a journey, with our exploration. We also got to see this place with some dinosaur structures outside. It looks so cool. And it has like a little cafe, but we didn't get to go inside, but it was so nice. And it was time to leave, and yeah. So after Riverland, we headed for Korfokan because we're spending the night at the beach. We're doing some bonfire and some barbecue because we have we were leaving the next day, so that was the plan of the night. it's now, what do we call, it's almost sunrise. It's almost sunrise time, and as you can see, it's now starting to look so golden, so beautiful. And I said, why not take one nice video like how these influencers do it for the gram. And I made some nice reels from these videos. If you have my IG, you can check it out. After enjoying our sunrise and clearing up the beach, it's now time to leave, and we are going to the hotel. But before that, we go for breakfast and then we head for some rest. So I hope you enjoy this part as well. I'll never stop saying how beautiful Korfakan is. As you can see, the reflection of the morning sun on the mountains is so beautiful, as you can see. I wished I could live here forever. It looks so much better in person, I can tell you for sure. Plenty just to make sure money day. From my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house. Dip and Dip is our spot for breakfast today, and it's located on Korfakan Corniche, next to Korfakan Beach. Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. We can tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. From the people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come. All depend. After breakfast and having a good rest, we headed for the beach to wind up our day as we head home to prepare for our trip, because we have to head home soon. I know some of you will ask, why are you swimming with your Crocs on? Yeah, I had a small accident a few days ago and I have a bandage on my leg, so I was being cautious because the fish might try and bite my finger, you know. We came home last night and I'm just admiring my ginger beverage. This is my preferred one, and in the evening we visited a friend of mine. I actually saw a few friends before heading back home, and this was just us taking a walk before they arrived. I'll say this, UAE has the most beautiful changing rooms. I mean, I never saw anything like this before. And also the plane Emirates, they have a nice changing room. It's so fancy, it looks like someone's bedroom. Now it's time to head back to the country, and it's us heading back to the airport with all mixed feelings because it will be a while before we're back here. But it was a successful and nice trip. My baby got to meet her father. My sister traveled on a plane for the first time. I mean, we all enjoyed. I'll say this again and again, traveling with children, you'll see how nice people are outside here. This guy offered us, yeah, it's a free bag here at the airport, but I didn't expect because our gate was very far, and he told us, okay, you can just hop in. And everybody's being so helpful at the airport.
And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are.
Once again, we got some Emirates goodies because we're traveling with a child, and also we got a second photo on the plane. I'll keep these memories for the baby on her first flight. It was time to take off and back home, so I'll end this video here and I'll see you on the next one. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.